Welcome to English and English.
Hello, friends. Welcome back to English and English. I'm Cindy, your English teacher, and today we're learning outdoors.
Wow, Cindy. It's so nice to have her English lesson outside. The air feels so fresh.
Yes, Zach. Learning English outdoors makes it fun and relaxing.
And I can smell the coffee. And my brain working.
Good. Today I planned to teach something peaceful.
Whoa! What was that?
Oh no. It looks like a small car accident just happened over there.
Oh no. Should we go help?
Stay calm, Zach. It looks like no one's hurt. Let's just watch and learn. This could be a real-life English lesson.
A lesson from an accident? That's new.
Exactly. Let's see how people speak politely after something like this.
Oh no, what just happened?
Did I just hit your car? I didn't see it coming.
Hey, you hit my car. Look at this dent.
I'm so sorry. I didn't stop in time. Are you okay?
I think I'm fine, just a little scared. What about you?
I'm okay too. My car's a bit damaged though.
Let's pull over to the side so we don't block traffic.
Good idea. I'll turn on my hazard lights.
I'll call the police to report the accident.
Yes, that's the right thing to do. Let's also exchange our information while we wait.
Sure, here's my driver's license and insurance card.
Thank you. Here's mine too. I'll take some pictures of both cars for the record.
Good afternoon. I'm Officer Liam. What seems to be the problem here?
Officer, we had a minor accident. I was waiting at the red light and her car hit the back of mine.
Yes, officer. It was my fault. I looked down for a second, and when I looked up, it was too late to stop.
All right. Were you both wearing seatbelts?
Yes, we were.
Good. Are either of you injured?
No, sir. Just a little shaken.
That's good to hear. I'll need to see both of your driver's licenses, registrations, and insurance cards. Tom, please describe what happened from your point of view.
I was stopped at the red light for a few seconds. Then I felt a strong bump from behind. That's all.
Thank you. And Amelia, you said you looked away for a moment?
Yes, officer. I dropped my sunglasses, and when I looked up, it was too late. I hit the brakes hard, but still crashed into his car.
All right. I appreciate your honesty. I'll make a report for your insurance companies. Okay, everything is documented. Here are your documents back. Amelia, please be extra careful. Distractions can cause serious accidents.
Yes, officer. I understand. I'll be more careful next time.
And Tom, your car has only minor damage. You can contact your insurance company with this report.
Thank you, officer. I will.
All right, you're both free to go. Drive safely.
Thank you, officer.
Thanks, officer. And Tom, I'm really sorry again.
It's okay, Amelia. The most important thing is that no one got hurt.
Wow, Cindy, that was intense. I didn't know there were so many polite ways to talk after an accident.
Exactly, Zach. That's why we learn, not just grammar, but real-life English. Let's review a few useful phrases from what we saw today. Are you okay? Means to check if someone is hurt.
Got it. Like, are you okay, Cindy? You spilled your coffee.
Yes, that's one way to use it. Let's pull over. Means to move your car to a safe place.
Oh, so if I say, let's pull over to the donut shop, that's safe and delicious.
Maybe not exactly the same meaning, Zach, but I like your creativity. Exchange information means to share your contact and insurance details.
so it's like making new friends, but in a bad way.
Exactly. Great job, Zach. You're learning fast and with humor. And remember, friends, stay calm, stay polite, and always use English with kindness.
And drive carefully, because English lessons are safer than car lessons.
See you next time on English and English.
And don't forget, like, share, and subscribe to our channel.
Yes, click the bell icon so you never miss a new English lesson.